Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that everyone is pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video I am gonna share with you a lots of ideas related to nail art. I hope you will enjoy and like these nail art designs that I have shared in this video. As you can see, these are the beautiful almond shape, and also I have shared different shapes of nails. If you want to copy these nails, you can take a screenshot of these nails and compile your nails. I have shared also easy and gorgeous nail art designs. You can compile your nails by yourself at home. So friends, if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to nail art designs. Those nail art designs are also very pretty, gorgeous and beautiful. I have shared a lots of easy, simple, cute nail art designs, so must check them. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. If you wanna see more back-to-back videos, you can check them in playlist with the name I have shared nail art designs. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. So friends, today's video is related to nail art designs. If you have any kind of demand related to nail art and other ideas, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. So friends, this was my today's video is related to nail art design. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, I hope you will like these designs. Then hit the like button. And these are the beautiful huge collection of nail art designs. Now let me say to take care of yourself. Bye bye.